Do you want to remove small blemishes from a portrait photo? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a face effect tool that can help remove blemishes such as pimples, acne spot, and other small skin imperfections. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Open a portrait photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom. Then tap the tools icon. Tap face effect. Swipe through the available option and tap fix blemishes. You will see a slider below it. The slider controls the size of the correction area used when removing blemishes. The default value is 25. You can move the slider to the left to make the correction area smaller, which can be useful for small blemishes. Or move it to the right to make the correction area larger, which may help when removing larger blemishes. You can decrease the value to 1 or increase it up to 50. For this example, let's keep the default setting. Now, tap the blemish you want to remove. A circle will appear around the selected area and the blemish will be corrected automatically. Repeat this process for other blemishes you want to remove. When you are finished, tap done. Then tap save. If you compare with the original image, you will notice that the blemish has been reduced or removed while keeping the rest of the portrait largely unchanged. Important note, choose a correction area that closely matches the size of the blemish you are trying to remove. A smaller circle is usually better for small spots, while a larger circle may work better for larger blemishes. Using a correction area that's much larger than necessary may affect nearby details in the photo. And that's how you remove blemishes from portrait photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.